Here you can take your photograph in a Khasi costume. It's a little chilly today. I feel a bit cold, but this jacket should do. So it's the entrance. It's 20 rupees for one person. Welcome to Wah Kaba Falls. Thank you. Wow, view is very beautiful. कितना टाइम लगेगा यहाँ से? 15 मिनट? 15 मिनट्स? 10 मिनट हो जाएगा? Thank you. So she says it takes 10 minutes. If it takes 10 minutes for her, maybe it will take 15 minutes for me. So we have different standards everywhere. How much can you walk in mountains in 10 minutes? Yeah, definitely it's a danger zone because there's like a cliff here. So people should be careful. I wonder who's swing here. I love the mountains here. They're like steep. One way is going down there. Another way is here. Looks like I'm the only person who has come here today. When you're coming to Cherrapunji, you should be ready to walk a lot of stairs. I can hear water very clearly and I can even see water over there. Yeah, I think this is another way which we saw. So we can come probably from two ways, and I came from here. Wow, nobody is here, only me. Friends, this is Wah Kaba Falls. Wonderful view. What do you think, guys? Isn't it beautiful? So I'm standing at the top of the fall here. Again, same like how we went to NohKaLikai Falls. It's beautiful. That's not moon, that's sun. I'm gonna sit here for few minutes, 10-15 minutes. Then I'm going to walk back up. I'll enjoy this view. There are very small stream of water flowing down. I can see 2 streams for now. But everywhere in Meghalaya, view is beautiful. And I love the mountains here. Amazing.